Hello friends, hope all are doing well. And today topic is life is too short to worry. Yes, life is too short to worry. So just enjoy your life, have fun, do your best to achieve your goal, do your best to help someone, but just be happy and try to make others happy. But do not take much tension. Just live your life. I know each and every one of us face many challenges in life, in our day-to-day life. We face many obstacles to achieve our goal and leave behind big worried. We got worried for small things many times. उसने मुझको ये बोल दिया, किसी ने कुछ कमेंट गलत बोल दिया तो टेंशन, कोई काम नहीं बना तो टेंशन. We take tension for small things. Do not take tension for these small things. I generally do two things when I have faced big problem, like which I know that I cannot solve immediately, and it hampered me a lot. When that hampered me a lot in my life, then what I do, I just remind myself the Bhagavad Gita ज्ञान that जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, और जो होगा अच्छा होगा. So do not take too much tension, Ankit. Time will solve the problem. Time will take you to next level. Do not take too much tension for this problem. Just think, maybe it is good for us for future. So I always remind myself this Bhagavad Gita Gyan when I face big problems in life. And for to get rid of small problems or small depression in my life, in day-to-day life, what I do, generally I, like, if someday I feel depressed and because of anything, then what I do, I sit in a peaceful place and talk to myself. I say, what happens, Sangeet? Why you are feeling depressed? Why you are not feeling good? Then what happens? Mind told me few reasons. Then I pick one by one. First I picked one reason and say to myself, Ankit, can you do something to solve this problem? Then the answer came, yes or no. If yes, I can do something, then do it immediately. And if I cannot do something right now to solve that problem, then why to get worried for this time? Just leave that. Then I pick second thing. Then I pick third thing. All the reasons which make me feel depressed, I picked all the reasons and try to solve one by one. What happens after this small exercise? I feel light. I feel light that yes, I have tried my best for all this problem. Whatever I can do, I will do. Now I will not get tense because of these problems. Now what I have to do, whatever work I have to do, I will do that work with full focus, with full concentration. So because of this exercise, I feel very light and I try to make me happy. That Ankit, you have to give your best to enjoy your life. You have to be in present. You have to enjoy your life. Do not get worried. These two things I do when I face big challenges and second when I feel depressed in day-to-day life. Hope you will like this and hope you will also try to use these techniques in your day-to-day life. Maybe it will help you. So just enjoy the life. Do your best to achieve your goal. and do not take tension, because life is too short to worry. Thank you.